Hello everyone, good evening. It is pretty much 11 o'clock Friday night. I worked a little bit extra. That's why the video is later. But here is the update. So the last time I did this would have been a trade talk probably over 24 hours ago. So a few things have happened. The euro pound buy trade was closed out with a very small loss. So I mean that's the account. It's over $1,500 Australian. So it's not a huge account obviously, but I'm just still learning. And I took a very small position on the euro pound, so we'll bring that up here. I got in, it would have been around here. So let's actually, man, what a week. 7 days straight. It's wow, crazy. So I might just put it on there, and I would have been stopped on here. So it really did actually collapse in the end pretty hard. So yeah, it would have been pretty much here because I got in on the 20-day moving average on the hourly. Hey, look, it's one of those things where I ended pretty late, but it's something I've seen in my back testing before, but the entry wasn't spectacular. That's why the position sizing was pretty small, because I only gave it 2.5 out of 5. So really small position sizing. It's more just me, building my execution up a little bit. And let's break it out there. So we'll get the Kiwi now up here. So I took the trades. I sold it here. Now it was on the 4-hour. It was on the daily actually. So I sold it. That's what the candle was at the low of the daily, and it was still obviously printing. So that closed pretty well. Interesting where it's at now though. To me, that's actually a sign of a bit of a reversal. So we'll see what happens. Again, guys, so this one actually is 2%, so we've got $24 at risk. It's weird, so it's more than that though. It's about 30. It is 2% of the account exactly. I worked it on FX Trade's platform, Oanda's FX Trade platform. Sorry. So now let's have a look. It has been this last 24 hours has been pretty wild. So the euro is. Right there's not a thing, not an entry, because it's got all that support there with, but it's through here now. So now Connor's been in this trade for 2 months. Connor Murphy, his YouTube channel is Forex Connor, and he is the gentleman that features on the Trade Talk Pippin and Easy podcast. So the daily is the clearest. I mean, you want to see this close bearish. So, and look at that weekly candle. Wow. On the daily, it's got, some room to go. Sort of. But this one is, yeah. It really, what's significant here is it's broken out of that big range that's been in. So, Connor's finally in the money. He got short here at the low of that candle, and now it's it's moving, baby. So this is a good example of why you need to be patient. If you back tested a strategy, and you can deal with waiting, then it's either going to get stopped out or it's going to start winning you money. So it's very clear. Obviously, a catalyst is fueling this, or it's nothing significant catalyst-wise regards to fundamentals. It's just people want to sell euro, and that's what's going on. So you got to be in it to win it. You can't just sort of sit on the sidelines and overanalyze and think you're going to win all the time when you won't win all the time. That's just reality. The pound is, that was probably an entry here. Ooh, no. Not on how wiki that candle is. Probably here when it closed like that. So wait and see. I think Connor took this as well. So he is looking okay. This has actually got progressively weaker in the New Zealand dollar. It was very weak during the Asian session today, but now it's sort of rallying a little bit. But we'll see how the weekly candle wants to close. You know what I mean? If it closes like that, it's okay. If it gets a little more wicky, then it's not so great. But we'll see. We'll see. I think that's the video, guys, really. I mean, look, the pound and the euro, I'll be watching to see how they close for the week. I won't take any more trades right now. And I'm going to conclude the video, guys. Thank you for watching. So, a pretty slow week. Nothing really to write home about. Euro pound was the losing trade. Let's just have a look at that one more time on the daily. So, yeah. Pull back. That's life, baby. That's life. Had a thesis. Small loss. Moving on. And I'm still eating tomorrow, so I'm okay. But yeah. Anyway, it was more higher time frames now. I really look at it. The weekly it was breaking out of that range pretty nicely, so it might still be valid. You know, I don't know with that weekly candle there. No. Really, I just caught the absolute top, and it didn't continue. It reversed. So moving on. I'll finish on the Kiwi, guys. Again, hope everyone's having a fantastic week, trading-wise and in life in general. And I will make another video tomorrow, an end-of-week update video tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye for now.